Hey gamers, today I'm showcasing the top gaming keyboards you should check out. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT offers Cherry MX switches, an aluminum frame, and stunning RGB lighting for ultimate customization. Experience Razer's opto-mechanical switches and plush wrist rest with the Huntsman Elite, perfect for fast-paced gaming. Logitech's G Pro X features swappable mechanical switches and light-sync RGB, tailored for competitive gamers. Adjustable mechanical switches, OLED smart display, and sleek aluminum build make the SteelSeries Apex Pro a standout choice. HyperX Alloy Origins boasts durable aluminum construction, HyperX red switches, and vibrant RGB lighting. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming gear insights. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations.